Nonghikai Ssa kiba shong kyllain myngor madan Malki mynta kumba sngi. Hyne sngi shim Rai ban Weng Noh Jingiakhih hadien kyllain jingiakren bat Myntri Sorkar kong Ampareen Lyngdoh Secretariat. Haba kren bat kilat pathai Khubor Presiden jong Nonghikai Ssa Peter Thyrniang iathuh hadien jingiakren shim Rai ban sangeh shwa jingiakhih. Iathuh Nonghikai Ssa mynta prasnem. Kamsham ladan shu kajing penkiu tulop badai nakani kadau kidawa badai ban penkiu 6% katulop.
We have been sitting at Malki ground for 21 days. Till date, the government of Meghalaya through Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh, who is the cabinet minister, and who were represented from the government, we have been here at her chamber together with the Commissioner and the Secretary to the Education Department of the Government of Meghalaya. The government assure us that the announcement which was demanded by the association will be given, and she also assures that within a few months it will be met. But due to this model code of conduct, the government will not be able to announce how much or when it will be affected. We are coming back to all the teachers of Meghalaya who are teaching in Meghalaya that we announce from today that we are suspended the agitation which was started from the 1st of October. And the rally which was organized to be held on 23rd of this month also is called off, as the government has assured us regarding the announcement of salary. The last announcement we were increased was in 2016. That is after 8 years. The LPS in LP school teachers in Meghalaya were paid 9,044, and the upper primary teachers are paid 20,493 on the announcement, and the government also has promised us to give us the enhancement. No, there's no comment regarding that because of this model code of conduct, so the government cannot announce at the time.
So you